Uh, this is the advice I'm gonna give everyone. When you replace your brake pad, you have to replace the rotor, or unless need to be resurfaced. Cause let's say you slap a pad, right? You slap a pad, you see the grooves when it leaves, see how it make, then your brake is gonna be squeak. It doesn't matter how many pads you throw, brand new, still the same. So you gotta cut the rotor or replace by a new one. I always recommended coated brake rotors like this, because this is like heat resistance and lasts long. Okay. Again, do not just slap a pad over rotors. Okay. See how what it makes, and this make a squeak noise every time you hit the brake. That noise is horrible and annoying. Yeah. Thanks for watching.